Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I have my Boxycharm box. This is a Boxycharm base box. If you want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I'm taking a break in between. We're going to have a little intermission time from all of my makeup advent calendars to do a little bit of my subscription boxes. This month is a little overboard. Not overboard, I guess overload this month and a little bit of last month because now I'm doing triple what I normally would do because normally I just do my makeup subscription boxes, but now I have advent calendars, so I have stacks of boxes all over the place that I get every day to film. So I'm like, why am I getting so much boxes? Like every day I come home to all these boxes. I'm like, what is going on? And I realized, oh, I kind of ordered like a million advent calendars, all makeup related, and I have my subscription boxes. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot of unboxing on this channel for the next month or two. But if that's what you guys love watching and you're new to my channel, I would say subscribe to my channel, become a part of my YouTube family because I love makeup and getting like new things and trying new things. So that's why I do all these makeup subscription boxes because like who doesn't love like opening a box full of makeup? I mean, I know I love opening a box full of makeup. So that's why I started my channel because I had tons of makeup subscription boxes already prior to having the channel. And I'm like, you know what? I might as well share all my boxes with the world just in case you guys are deciding if you guys want to have one of these boxes. I can maybe better help you choose. So, without further ado,
let's see what I got in my box.
alrighty. So, if you're new to Boxycharm, Boxycharm base box is $25 a month. They do have like a little, you get a little off if you do it like for 6 months or if you do it for 3 months. So I would check that out on a website. They do get you save a couple of coins, like $1 or $2. Nothing spectacular, but you do save if you do like a little bit more of a longer period of the subscription. I normally do the max of every subscription that they offer. If they offer a year, I do the year. If they offer 6 months, I do the 6 months because obviously I do a lot of subscription boxes, and if I could save $1, $1 is still $1. So I'm curious to see what I got. So this is your sneak peek. Sneak peek. So we got a card. You guys know I love when I get a card. The card is always amazing. They tell you what you got in your box. I'm not going to look because that's going to give away what I'm going to see. So let me see my first initial look in here. Let me see. Alrighty. I see a lot of good things in here that I'm excited to try. So first things first, I see a Natasha Denona palette. Yes! Yes. It comes in this weird packaging. It's not in, I guess, the packaging you get when you buy it. But nevertheless, beggars can't be choosers. And I just got a Natasha Denona palette. Yay! So this is what she looks like. There's no mirror. I honestly can say I do not own anything from Natasha Denona at all. So I'm super excited for this palette.
Super excited.
Alrighty, so I love like the burnt colors on like darker skin tone, like on my skin tone. I think it's very beautiful, especially for fall going into winter. So I will definitely get a lot of use out of this palette. Alright, so let's see how much this palette costs. This palette is a whopping $48. Alrighty, so let's see what else I got in here. I don't remember what was my choice. I think the mascara was my choice. Like I said in previous Boxycharm unboxings, we have to pick what we want so far in advance. And by the time I get these boxes, I don't even remember what I chose. But nevertheless, this is something that I would pick. So I think this was the choice. Alrighty, so it's a Kush mascara. and it's waterproof, so very good for that. Oh, they sealed it very nicely. So let me see if I can open this up just to see what the mascara looks like. I literally just opened up another mascara, so I'm not going to open it, but I just want to see what the packaging looks like. Ooh, yeah, this looks nice. I love the chromed out packaging. Very nice. Love this, love this. It's very thick, very like fat, so it's probably a volumizing mascara. Just in my experience of working in the beauty industry, normally thicker, bigger ones are for volume and tinier lines are for more definition. For your lashes, so more like lengthening and definition. So very excited for this. This retails for $24. So even with this one thing, it would have been probably practically the price of the box because the box was $25. So far, I'm super excited for the two things that I got, two makeup items. The mascara says a waterproof intense black with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis sativa oil. Very excited for that. Alrighty, let's see what else I got in here. So I have a skincare item from Peach and Lily. This is a Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. It says deep cleanse and soothe with Camilla and chamomile. This is what the box looks like. And this is the actual product. I do have a Peach and Lily serum that I had got for gratis, and then I had got one in one of my subscription boxes. So I had gave one away, and I have one now. I didn't even use that serum yet because I have so much stuff. As you guys can see behind me, like, look at this. I have so much stuff. And this is only one side of my beauty room. I have too much. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I mean, I'm sure I'm not alone. I know there's a lot of makeup, skincare, fragrance junkies just like me. So, I don't feel too bad. Comment down below if you're just like me and you can't help yourself. You just want to try everything. I just need to own like my own makeup store and just walk around and just try everything all day. But nevertheless, I'm excited to try this cleanser. It is $28. And I do have the serum looks kind of just like this. So, cleansers I can use. It's just the reason why I didn't try the serum, which I got like I want to say like 3 months ago. It's just because I just have so much. Like, you know, every single month you get like a new cleanser, with all these boxes. Every month I get a new cleanser, a new moisturizer, a new serum. Every single month. So it's like it's hard to know what to use, but I do use the cleansers because you can use different cleansers every day, but I feel like moisturizers you have to be consistent with them to see if they're actually working. So excited that I have something that I can actually use. So so far I'm loving 3 for 3. Alrighty. Also in here, I got a 25% off to Natasha Denona. I'm guessing this is on her website. Yep, on the website. So that's kind of cool. Let's see what else I got in here. I got, what is this? Alamar. Is this Alamar? Let's see. Let's look at the card. I just remember this symbol. Yep, I was right. Because I think I got like Alamar. I got like a blush palette from Boxycharm in the past. I know Boxycharm does a lot of stuff with partnering with Alamar. But this is their primer. It says Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base Primer. So that's what it looks like. Who wouldn't love an eyeshadow base or primer? I'm always doing cool looks on my eyes, so I can definitely get money's worth out of this. That looks like a sample size though. How much was that? That was, I thought everything in the box was supposed to be full size. So I'm curious if this is the actual size that you get when you buy it. This is an 8 ml, 0.27 ounce. So I'm curious if doesn't this look kind of tiny, guys? Like this is like a sample size or travel size? Comment down below if you know. It says this is $15, so I don't know. It says a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and to maximize color and pearl dimension. It is water and wear resistant and enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefit. It also works as a glitter glue. Mix your favorite concealer to customize primer shades. Very interesting. Can't wait to try that out. And then the next thing I got in here is a Yenza Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. And it says 8 Super Orange Essence. So that's the box. And I can use a scrub, so I definitely will use this. I didn't know Yenza sold skincare. I have like a Yenza lip gloss that I got actually. I don't know where I got that. I think I got this from like Ipsy. This is like a Yenza gloss. Love it. It's like oh, and everything says Super 8 oil on it. And it says Super 8 orange essence. So I guess they use that whole Super 8 and everything. Super excited because this I loved. So and I always like trying different like types of exfoliants and masks. So definitely excited to try this out as well. So that concludes everything I got in my box. I got a mask. I got a... Wait, how much was the mask? Hold on a second. The mask was $45 for the mask. 2-in-1 mask infused with 8 orange skin-loving ingredients to help nourish and polish your face for a hydrated, smooth, supple, and radiant complexion. The lightweight and exfoliating formula resurfaces skin in only 5 to 10 minutes. Very nice, very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got 2 makeup items. No, 3 makeup items and 2 skincare items. But they weren't moisturizers or serums, so I'm happy because I can actually use this stuff right now. So overall, very excited for my box. I would give this box a 7 out of 10 because I probably would have loved to see maybe like one more item of makeup in here. The makeup subscription boxes, I like when it's like majority all makeup. Or like one skincare product is fine, but I think it should mostly be all makeup. So that's why I gave it a 7 out of 10, but that's still a very good score. I love the box. I will be using everything. Nothing in here I will be giving away. So good job, Boxycharm, for the month of November for your base box. So thank you. Alrighty, guys. So I am going to, you know, most of the times when I do my videos, I do 2 videos a day. So I actually got a new box, a new makeup subscription box. I had the Macy's Beauty box. So if you guys want to know what I got in this box, then just watch my next video. I always will give a sneak peek of what I have, in what I'm going to be filming for the following video. If I do know, I'll tell you guys at the end of the video. But I have so many boxes that I'm always going to probably most likely know unless I'm doing something sporadic and random. If you guys want to know what I got in that box, then just watch my next video. Do you guys know that I have a contest out right now? My contest is going to be closing out very soon. I think we have like maybe like 3 more days left to my contest. So if you guys want to enter my contest, go to my Marshall's Hauls video. There, it will tell you what you have to do to enter my contest. I'm giving away a lot of goodies. So may the best person win. 2 subscribers of mine will be winning from that contest. And just make sure you put in the comments that you're entering my contest. Because if you just say, oh, I love your makeup, I love your hat, or nice video, I don't know if you're entering. You could just be commenting on my video. So if you guys actually want to enter it, I have to see and know that you're entering it, which I asked you guys to do. Some people did not do that. So feel sorry for everybody who thought they were entering when they didn't, but you got it. You guys have to like watch the whole video, and you guys would have saw, if you watched the whole video, you would have saw that I said, make sure you put in the comments you're entering the video. And if you could just leave your Instagram, unless I've spoken to you on Instagram and know that you're you, most likely I'm not going to know you're you unless your name is like exactly like your YouTube name. So anyway, just thought I'd let you guys know about that contest. It's almost ending. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, show your girl some love, and give me some thumbs up. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!